Otis Redding wrote this fantastic song many, many years ago. I'm going to put the year up now because it escapes me at the moment. But Sitting on the Dock of the Bay is an all-time classic. It's your Christmas present this year because it's a dead easy song. It's one of those great songs where you can play it all in open chords, in the original key, even the middle eight change. But you can also do it in bar chords. And with bar chords, you kind of get that snap kind of sound to it as well, which gives it a slightly different feel. But strumming it really slowly and sparsely is a beautiful way to play this song. So here we go. Here are the chords, dead easy. G, B7, C, down to A7. It's 2,000 miles I roam just to make this dock my own. The little walk down that you do from C down to A, you can play that on the single string, kind of gives it a little bit of movement as well between those chords. If you land on an A instead of an A7, doesn't matter, that works too. But if you're doing bar chords, you can do the same. Where was I? I was singing the wrong words. Make this dock my home. Then we go to the chorus. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay. E, G to E. Watching the clouds roll away. Do it 3 times. Sitting on the third time, dock of the bay. There you go to an A major, not an A7. But again, it doesn't really matter if you play an A7. Wasting time. Back to G, E major. Back to the start. In bar chords, you would do it this way. Well, you could do it this way. Ships roll in, and I watch them roll away again. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Wasting time. Then we get to the brilliant change in the middle. G, D, looks like C, nothing's gonna change. G, everything, D remains the same. Back to C. Do it again. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do. Then it goes to F, so I guess I'll remain the same. Up to D. And then it's back to the verse again. That is it. That's all there is to this song. You can mess around with those rhythms and find your own way through it, but those chords, magic. Magic chord progression, magic song. Thanks for watching. Have a great holiday, Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you're into. Have fun, be safe, be with people that you love. See you again soon. If you want to play this rhythm and you're kind of into what I'm doing here, it's bass note with a thumb or your pick, and then a strum, kind of a slap strum. So bass, bass, strum, bass, strum, bass, bass, strum, bass, strum, bass, bass, strum. And on it goes. See you next time.